Hi everyone, it's Whitney. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be back. I feel like I haven't filmed in so long. It's like weird talking to the camera, but then I get so used to it. It doesn't even matter. I just start rambling, but I am so excited to film. I don't know why, but I just really am. I love it. So I filmed my every night makeup look that I did on vacation. Super easy. You guys are gonna see how easy it is. All creams, super glossy, super glowy, super shimmery. This is my favorite look to do. I'm not gonna be able to stop doing it even when I'm pale. So before we move on with the video, if you have not subscribed yet, you really should. I'm gonna be posting a lot. I have so many ideas in my brain written down in my phone. I'm so excited. So definitely subscribe to keep up with all of my videos. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so every night for dinner, I did the exact same makeup routine. And the reason why I did the exact same thing is, first of all, I didn't want to pack so much. But second off, I also did the same makeup every day because I like a nice, natural, glowy, youthful look when I'm tan. So I wanted to show you guys this because it's so easy, so quick. So let's just get started. I'm going to start with moisturizer, obviously, because after you're going to be in the sun, you're going to be super dry. And it's really important, even if you have oily skin, trust me, you need to moisturize after you are in the sun. But since I didn't want to do my full skincare routine twice, because then I would have to take my makeup off and do it again after dinner, I just moisturized with the MAC Strobe Cream in Goldlite. This is because it is so glowy, so beautiful, but has such deep hydration and it looks just beautiful on the skin. And also, I am not wearing any foundation, BB cream, anything like that in this makeup look. So this will just perfect your face without foundation. I know a lot of people use this product almost as like a cream highlighter and strategically place it, but I personally think it looks really beautiful all over the skin. So eye cream is very important to me when you are in the sun. Your eyes, first of all, are just so delicate, like the skin. It is the thinnest skin on your whole entire body. So giving it sun exposure is really bad for your eyelids, really bad for your under eyes. And I really always put SPF on my eyelids and under my eyes, but I'm always going to be moisturizing them. So for my eye cream, I started using the Shiseido, or is it Shiseido? I don't know which one, but I think you may have heard of it. But it's the white Lucent anti-dark circles eye cream. And already using it for like, I think I've been using it for like 2 weeks now. It is so good. If you're looking for a great eye cream for dark circles, anti-aging, really moisturizing, this is gonna be so good for you. Make sure you tap with your ring fingers under your eyes for eye cream. Your ring finger is said to be the most delicate and soft finger, so you're supposed to use that under your eyes because your eyes are so delicate. Okay, moving on to makeup. This is gonna be so quick and I wanna make it quick because apparently I talk a lot if you've seen my last video. So I'm gonna go into concealer, no base, just going straight to concealer. This is the Marc Jacobs Remedy Concealer Pen and I have it in the shade 4 Late Show. And this is my new favorite product. I just dot a little bit under the eyes and it is so freaking good. And I just use my fingers. You don't need to use a brush for this. So now I'm gonna cream contour, and I started using something new. I've actually been using it for a while, I just haven't showed, but this is the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick in the shade Honey 409. I mentioned this in my last video, but I didn't use it, but it is just a foundation stick, but first of all, it's the most amazing color, and second of all, blends out like a dream. So this is what I used literally every single day when I was there. But then I just used the Sephora number 56 brush to blend it out. This is what I use to blend out all of my cream contours. And with cream contour, you honestly, with any contour or bronzer, you want to make sure you're blending upwards, because if you drag it down, it is going to look muddy and you're not going to get the sculpted look. If you like to look a little more matte, you can do this exact makeup routine and just apply your favorite translucent powder over, and then you're all set. But I run this, just whatever is left on the brush, through my crease, not really, just literally my eyeball, and then the sides of my nose really quickly, just to bronze it up. Now I'm going on to my Glossier Cloud Paint for blush. So I actually didn't really end up using these when I was there, just because naturally I was getting a little pink from the sun. So I didn't really feel the need to use these. I think I used them maybe once or twice. But now that I am home, I like to use this if I'm doing makeup, because it'll make me look like I was just in the sun since I'm already tan. Next we have highlighter. This is the best part for me when I'm tan. I love a good highlight when I'm tan. So I'm going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in the shade Spotlight. This is my absolute favorite. Any time of the year, it is so beautiful. But when you have a tan, girl, it is so beautiful. You only need the tiniest bit. I'm just gonna start with my cheeks. And this is so easy because, first of all, you can just use your fingers. And second of all, I know the color may look kind of light right now. At least it does with the lights. But you literally can just keep blending and keep blending. It doesn't dry down fast or anything. And it's more than just like it has a like shimmery glow. It genuinely like has like a glossy glow. Whatever is like left on my finger, I will run above the brow bone, a little down the nose with whatever is left on my finger. Next, for my brows, I just go in with Glossier Boy Brow in the shade Blond. And when I'm doing this like without talking and like rambling, I don't know why I just start like talking so much when the camera is on, but when I'm doing this on my own, literally takes 5 minutes. Okay, now for the eyes. I did not do this every single night, but I think it's beautiful, so I'd rather show it to you than not. So you could leave it like this, put on your mascara and be done. Or I love to use this. It is so beautiful. This is the Natasha Denona Crystal Top Coat in the shade Peach. I use this in my Peach video, but it is so, so pretty. And what I like to do with this is just take it on my finger and tap this all over the eyelid as well as into and above the crease. And it literally just gives this like, oh my god, I do not know if you can see on camera, but I really hope you can because it's so pretty when you take it above your crease. Okay, now some white eyeliner. I always use this. This is my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk. Just gonna run this in my waterline. I forgot inner corner highlight, so I'm just gonna take the tiniest bit of this and pop it in there. So you can just throw mascara on after this, but I just wanna like show you a different way to do it, and a way to wear less mascara. As I said in my school makeup routine video, I absolutely hate taking off mascara. So this makes it a lot easier for me. And I only did this one of the nights, but it is something that I have been doing. In my last video where I had my haul and everything, I did this on my eyes, and this is little lashes. So what I do is I take lashes and I cut them a little more than halfway, and I only use the outer corners. To do this, I use these Kiss lashes. They were like in a huge pack of like 6. They're all the same. I do not know what they are called. I'm gonna try and figure it out. But honestly, any like little wispy lash is gonna look beautiful, but you don't want it to be too long, because then it's not gonna blend in with your natural lashes if you're only doing the outer corner. So these are already cut for me, or I cut them myself. You can see that they're really just like outer corner lashes that I cut myself, and these are so much easier than individual lashes. And like, I always do individual lashes because I think they look very pretty and it's my vibe rather than like a full lash set. But for some reason the other day I just randomly did this because I was like, absolutely over it. So I did this. I'm just applying my House of Lashes black glue, and I put these on before I put mascara on, and I will show you why after I pop these on. So I go from above because I feel like I can see everything a little better, and I just stick it in a line right with the end of my lash, and then I just mess with it and get it in place, and then squeeze it with my tweezers to my real lashes. I really hope you can see this. If you already have like pretty dark lashes, you literally don't even need to put on mascara. Like, I hope you can tell that it genuinely just looks like I have like longer and thicker outer corners and kind of like I'm wearing mascara. And this is amazing for me because I, again, hate taking off mascara. And with these, literally rip them off. And they're so easy to apply. The goal with this is to make it look like you basically like are wearing mascara, but you're not, and you're just wearing these little outer corner ones. Obviously, if you want, you can just put on mascara. But I love this, and I just wanted to show you guys it. But also, if you want to blend them in a little more, you can use some mascara. I'm just gonna show you. You literally use just the tiniest mascara on the lashes that you, like on your inner corner lashes where there's no fake lash, and you're just gonna run it oh so lightly through the tips. It makes just a little difference. So yeah, literally the tiniest bit, and then it comes off with just like water, and I don't even try to get it off. And then I'm just gonna quickly put a little bit on my lower lashes. And lastly, we have lips. So for lips, I did the same lip liner every single day, but I changed up my gloss. So I brought literally, I swear to God, 15 glosses. That was the one thing that I had such a hard time just like not bringing so many of. So every time I wore makeup, I was using my MAC Whirl lip pencil. So I'm just gonna line really quickly. For gloss, I wear gloss every night. I love a good gloss. I brought so many, but the three that I was using the most was definitely, this is the Pat McGrath Dare to Bare Lip Gloss. This is the Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Lip Oil Gloss. And this is the Buxom Katie Gloss. So I just like switched between all of these and just like did whatever every single night. I'm gonna go with Katie today because it's just a nice, clear, pretty gloss. Okay, and then although we don't have any powders, I love to add the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist onto my face after a makeup look like this because it just adds to the whole glow. And I do 4 sprays. You do not need more than that. Like literally even on the back it says 2 to 3 and I do 4. And it seriously is so intensely dewy. If you do more, you're just gonna look like super sweaty, so I do cheek, cheek, chin, forehead. All right, everybody, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, comment down below anything else you would like to see from me, and make sure you check out my most recent videos. As always, I will see you in the next one.